Okay, so who is the author of this question?
Hello, Professor Bhai. This is Anupam Das from Physics Department. And yesterday I was watching your videos. I was really amazed that you are explaining the dynamics of black holes. So my question narrows down to that. Can you explain the process of how two black holes merge and what are the gravitational waves influence in that process?
That's a very good question, and actually, it has a very simple answer. So, essentially, what is happening is you have one black hole over here and one black hole over here. And a gravitational wave is not really an actual wave, but it describes the kind of intensity of gravity. It describes the intensity of gravity at a specific point, which does act sort of like a wave. So essentially, what's happening is when these two black holes are actually merging with each other, or in the same way, two neutron stars, they orbit each other like a binary star system. What's happening is that they're rotating around each other and slowly getting closer and closer to one another because their gravity is too high and their velocity is too low to keep a stable orbit. And so what's happening now is that since they are all orbiting around, they are both orbiting around each other. And of course, orbiting is described by a sinusoidal. Orbiting is described, yeah, with these functions. Then, essentially, their distance from a specific point fluctuates the same way as a sine function. And because the gravitational force on an object is dependent on distance, essentially it acts sort of like waves, sine squared theta or cosine squared theta, which of course definitely looks something like this.
So it amplifies the gravitational waves during the merger of two black holes.
Yes.
Actually, that's all good. Very
Thank you.
pleasure.